Hello dear Virgos, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. Before we begin our reading for the month of October 2020, I request all the Virgos to please like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that dear Virgos. And let's begin with our reading for the month of October 2020. And here we are, I have your cards with me. King of Swords, Moon, Page of Swords, Page of Wands here. So what this card is telling me here is you seems to be a little doubtful about something. Uh, Things are not clear to you. You know you are dealing things with darkness or probabilities kind of. You see, you are seeking for some guidance or you are seeking for more clarity, and this is what you are struggling with here. You see, no, uh, I'm seeing that, yeah, things are not clear. The vision is blur. Your vision is blur, and that is what is not allowing you to make a proper decision here, Virgo. Is that so? Then, and this has been there, and I think this is from past few weeks you are struggling with this situation. You're not able to decide on something, mostly on the work front. Is that so? Yeah. Mm, yeah, maybe you see you're not able to decide on some person or decide on something, because of lack of clarity. Okay. And then I am seeing this month, if this that case, this month is going to give you this clarity, definitely going to give you this vision that what to do and how to do, that you were struggling with, that the clarity is going to come to you, and which is what will help you with your decision making also. You will be you by the end of this month you will find yourself in a better position with much clear vision moving forward. Okay. And yeah, a wise decision also. So yeah, see, things are floating now. Things are coming to the surface and you will be able to find them. You will be able to see them easily and take a proper decision. uh, that is what I can see here, dear Virgos. So something bigger, the some really big issue is going to get resolved, uh, right? And then I'm seeing someone from the past is coming in your life, some good friend, someone from the past, in the sense some good friend is coming in your life just to relieve you or a kind of guidance also. Or maybe again, in that case, if not a friend, then probably a new task, a new work task will maybe assign to you. Or you see, I'm seeing yourself as foresightedness, right? Like, you know, you are getting prepared for the coming venture. So very soon you will be getting a new venture or new assignment here, on the work side, definitely on the work side. Okay. So this is what I am seeing here. uh, yeah, a new friend, yeah, mostly a friend from the past may try to call you or may try to connect with you again, and you will definitely be happy meeting that person. Okay. That is what I am seeing here, Virgo. So much relief is like, you see, this a better vision, a clear vision, which will keep you in which will keep you in a better position now, which is going to bring you in a better position. That is very important. One important thing going to happen this month, dear Virgo. Right? And I have your energy card here, Archangel Ariel, which is ruling the second chakra. Second chakra is deals with the intimacy, and this card, this angel, is here to tell us a very important message, that you see, you should allow yourself for emotional intimacy, and that this is what is going to come your way this month. Lovely, lovely energy this month. And this is also about creativity. Probably this new venture is just going to start, or probably something that is the clarity that is coming to you is going to uh, is allowing you to make something creative task coming your way, like that. And this is the time where you will be allowed to self explore yourself also. So this energy card is this angel, this second chakra is telling you to self explore yourself this month with new projects that may have a more creative approach. So what I am seeing is the energy is definitely dealing with something creative, something an intimate relationship also. So something creative is bound to happen, or something this creative energy is going to support you in getting the clarity also, in making these prompt decisions as well. So yes, Virgo, that is how makes sense to me, and I hope this will make sense to you also. Let me see what the angels have for you here. So there is a guidance from angels, and this is the card for that. This is such a beautiful card, isn't it? And this way the angels are saying energy work, life can be electrifying because its very essence is energy. Your body is a remarkable energy field, of course, yeah, that will positively respond to loving treatments. Your hands and heart are activated to give healing energy to your loved ones and clients. Oh my God. So there is lot of energy coming your way. So this is the power. See, when I'm seeing this second chakra card, your second chakra energy card, I am seeing that in sync with that, the angels are here to guide us that uh, we are blessed with so much of energy, like we have here in the in this energy card, which is saying that we are blessed with so much of creative energy. And this year the same angels are guiding us to angels are guiding us to focus on that, to focus on our competencies and work accordingly, giving healing energy to your loved ones. Yeah, nothing but you have the uh, ability to support others also. It is not just you can able to resolve your problems, but at the same time you have the ability to support others, to help them in overcoming their issues also, dear Virgos. This is what the angelic message for you. And yeah, so this is the message. And yeah, so before I wind up this reading, I request all the Virgos to please share your honest review under the comments, under this video in the comment section. Yeah, I see you again next month, in the next coming month. Till then, I wish you good luck. Bye bye, take care.